Hi, it's Hey Paula, and look, here's my seafood curry for my housemate. I just put in some, these 2 cans of chickpeas, smoked oysters, smoked mussels, some calamari rings. There's a calamari ring. There's freshly cut spring onions in there, can of coconut cream, beautiful Vulcan red curry paste. I'm going to put a bit of cumin in here, put a bit of extra garlic, baby mussels, prawns, little shrimp or whatever, other mussels that came in the seafood mix, bits of, I think there's scallop, bits of white fish there, and there's also salmon in here somewhere. And I just had a little taste test, and my lord, it tastes real damn good. Next, I'm working on, I'm going to cut these up. Cut these up. And I'm going to make a delicious chili con carne tomorrow. Beautiful. Adios, and hey Paula, please like and subscribe. Thank you.